and what's up guys? How are you doing today? Would you like to earn more money better than your salary per month? You can make between $200 and $1,000 per month or per week, it's up to your work. I will provide to you some websites for freelancing work, which is going to grow your earning per month. Okay, these websites are Upwork, Freelance and Fiverr. And this website you can work any kind of major you would like to provide your work on. And if you are a teacher, you can work on website called Teachable or Udemy. Udemy can provide you to apply for creating a classroom for your clients, and it's providing for you a huge number of clients to make your work easier and flexible. Okay, so if you'd like to know more about this and learn with us, you can follow our channel on YouTube and make subscribe for our channel English Explorer, and don't forget to make share for your friends to grow their earning. Okay, see you later guys.